Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set smart lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Okay. Then here select lock screen. Lock screen is available here. Just select. Then go to extend lock. Draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation and read the instructions here. Extend unlock keeps this device unlocked when it's with you. Extend unlock can recognize when you are holding this device, you are near home or any other trusted place, your watch or any other trusted device is nearby. So you have three smart lock. Okay, first one is holding the device, then near home or any other particular trusted place, then any other Bluetooth enabled device. Okay, let's see how we can set it. Just click on got it and you have three options here that are displaying here. Keep this device unlocked while it's on you at specific places that you trust or near your trusted devices. Okay, then click on the first one, on body detection. Just click on it and turn on this button. Okay, click on continue. Once you have unlocked your device, it stays unlocked while it is in motion, such as when you are walking with it, or this device will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until you put it down. Okay, until you put it down. If you are holding this device with your hand or in your pocket or whatever, wherever on your body, device remains unlocked. Okay, see. So now I am moving, holding and moving, and let's check. Yes, it's unlocked. Wow. Yes, smart lock is activated. This that is on body detection. I am holding this device and I am locking my phone, and while unlocking, it's not asking the pattern because it stays unlocked as long as I keep this phone in my hand. Okay, this is first one. The next, again go to the same settings, lock screen, extend unlock, draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. Then second one is trusted places. Just to click on it and you can add trusted places. Okay, just to turn on this button and click on trusted places, use your pattern for confirmation and click on add trusted place. Okay, you can choose place from map. Okay, so I am going to choose this. Yes, this will be added. Okay, in this way you can choose any place. Okay, for example, if you are setting any other fair place, yes, if you move to those place, then at that place your uh, your phone will stays unlocked. Okay, see, I have set two locations. Okay, so at these two locations my phone stays unlocked. Okay, this is called trusted places. Okay, then we can do another one, final one, that is trusted devices. Okay, click on trusted devices here. If you have any Bluetooth enabled devices like watches or headphone or any other Bluetooth enabled device, if you have paired with those device and if those device nearby your phone, then your phone stays unlocked. Okay, add a trusted device, and here I have stone 250 and I have just added this. Okay, so until this stone 2 250 is nearby to my phone, it stays unlocked. Okay, so in these three methods you can easily set smart lock. Okay, these are already called smart lock. Now it is called extend unlock. It is also otherwise called extend unlock. Okay, so in this way you can easily set smart lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.